guys, so we are already discussed about the CSS box model part 1. So let's discuss about this practice session. So first of all, considering the given code, what makes the code invalid? So this code is very perfect, so none of the given option. Consider the given code, what makes code invalid? So in the background the image, after that we can expect semicolon here, so that is missing. So which of the following is a valid CSS property syntax to add background image? A valid syntax is first option. Which of the following CSS properties used to apply height to HTML element? Height, we can mention height. Which of the following CSS property are the rectangular box according to CSS box model? Width, height and border. Consider the given code, what makes code invalid? So after background the image, he didn't mention the opening bracket. Yeah, which of the following is a valid CSS property syntax? First one. Which of the following is a measuring unit of height and width of this CSS? All the above. We can mention as pixels and view height also. In the given code, what is the value of CSS property width? Width given is 500 pixels. Which of the following CSS property in value pair is used to fit background image to the entire screen? Now we can mention background size cover, then it will be image will used in entire screen. CSS property background image is used to add background image to the website. Yes. Which of the following is a valid CSS property syntax? The third one. Which of the following CSS properties is used to apply with width of the HTML element? You can mention width. The measuring unit of height and width of CSS property. Pixels, not other units. Consider the given code. What is the following value of CSS property background image? You can select as URL. Consider the given code. What is the following CSS property? CSS properties background image. Which of the following is given a value of this CSS property background size? We can mention as cover. Then consider the given code. What makes code invalid? After he given this height 300 pixels, he forgot to put this semicolon. And opening bracket also not there and closing bracket also not there. So given option is all the above. Which of the following CSS properties to add background image? And which of the following is a value of CSS property height? 100 VH. Yes, thank you friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates.